What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today this video is going to be about how I use rice water, how I make it and how I put it in my hair, and the results of how it looks on my hair. So if you're interested in that, please definitely stay tuned. My hair has grown a lot. If you want like a hair journey video, please comment down below because my hair's been through a lot, but now it is growing and it is very healthy and I'm very proud of it. So yeah, and rice water has contributed to that a lot. So if you're interested, please stay tuned, keep watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Love you guys. Bye.
Alright, lovely people, so the first step to making rice water is to get a pan and put some water in it. Do not fill the pan or pot all the way up, just fill it about 3/4. That's what I was saying. So yeah. Alright, so now what you're going to do is just boil the water. So you're just going to put the water on the stove and turn the stove, I say, to about a 7 or 8. And now you're just going to get your rice and you're going to get a half a cup. And you're going to pour your white rice. What am I saying? You're going to pour your white rice into the half of a cup. And I just used just regular white rice that you find at the store. I didn't use any organic or anything like that because anybody got time for that. But now you're just going to pour your rice into the pot. And you don't have to let the water boil first. I don't. I let the water boil with the rice. And you can see it's 4:36 when I put it in. And the water is starting to boil a little bit, but not really. So now it's 4:41. And Chloe, my little doggy, she says hi. But now you can see that the water is definitely boiling. And it's 4:47 now. So it's been about 10 minutes. So all we're going to do is just turn the stove off and take this water and this boiling rice water and drain it. And yes, I have a container underneath the drainer. I know you can't see it, but yeah, I'm not just pouring it down the sink like a dummy. So my camera got all foggy, but now you see the white container. And I'm just draining all of the rice water into the container and just shaking it up, making sure I get all the nutrients and everything out of this rice. Okay. And now I'm just showing you the finished results and how the rice is still in the container. And now I'm just rinsing the rice out of the pot. I didn't wash it right away, but I just tell you to do this because like you don't want the rice to stick to your pot. So here is the rice water and it looks a little cloudy, and that's just because of the nutrients in the rice. But I don't know why it looks a little brown. I think it was a shadow. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is just refrigerate this rice water. Don't mind the sausages. But yeah, so like it said, we're going to leave in for 10 to 15 minutes. Just so it can cool down before you put the rice in your head, the rice water in your head, because you don't want to burn your scalp, sis. We don't want that. No. So now I'm just getting a funnel. And I'm grabbing a container, a hair container that you usually put like oil to oil your scalp in, but it's just empty, and I'm just going to put my rice water in that. So yeah, just adjusting the camera a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing, but nothing too fancy.
And
Alrighty, I'm continuing to pour the rice water into the funnel, and yes, I did spill a little. My bad. But yeah, so now all I'm doing is just putting the top on the container, making sure it's tight so it does not leak. And I filled it almost up to the top, so that's pretty good. I had a good amount of rice water in there. And now I'm just showing you my dry hair. It's about a week old, twist out, no, braid out actually. And if you want a routine on how I did my braid out, you probably it doesn't look like it from here, but it looked better the first couple of days, I promise. I'll put a link in the cards. And yeah, so now I'm just parting my hair down the middle, and this just makes it a lot easier for when I am applying the rice water. So Yes, now you can see that I did half of my hair off camera, and I'm just going to show you how I apply the water. Yes, my face, girl. My hair was nappy and it was hurting. I look mean. I promise you I'm nice, y'all. I promise. I look mean and confused. But yeah, so I'm taking a section of my hair in the back, and I'm just going to begin to apply the rice water to the roots of my hair. And just massaging it into your scalp, making sure that you really get it into the scalp, because that's really the most important part. To get the rice water, I do eventually drench my whole head, but the beginning process is just the scalp, just making sure that part gets all the nutrients that it can. And I know you can't see the bottom of my hair. I'm sorry for this horrible angle, but I'll move back soon. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, so I am, as you can see, applying the rice water to the rest of my hair and to the ends, so that can also get nutrients. But yeah. Alright, so now we have moved to the top of my head, and this is the last section, and I'm still applying the rice water to the roots. And now I'm just going to be showing you how I just twist my hair up into a bantu knot, just so all my hair can be separated and detangled and stuff like that, and it won't get tangled back up. And this is kind of a messy process, as you see like some of the juice dripping on my face. And now I'm just applying my bonnet, or if I had a shower cap, I definitely would have used that instead, but I don't know where mine was at the moment. So bonnet works just fine. And now I have just washed my hair. I use leave-in conditioner, so I didn't condition it or anything. But I'm just showing you how my hair looks washed. Make sure you wash your hair really good after you put rice water in it, because it can have a smell and you definitely do not want that in your hair, so definitely wash it nice. That was me just being a little extra. But now I'm just giving you a little length check, and it comes past my shoulders. Definitely, I'm definitely at about bra strap length. Why did my voice get so ravery? But I'm at about bra strap length, and I'm really loving it. It makes your hair, the rice water makes your hair extremely thick, and it defines your curls a lot. I just love this rice water. I don't do it every week, but I definitely try to do it at least once a month, and it just provides a lot of protein for my hair, and it just really strengthens and like just really makes my hair grow. Honestly, I just love it. But yeah, it's just me being extra again, loving how fluffy and thick my hair is after I use the rice water. All right, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this rice water video. I hope you liked. I hope that you try it out, and if you do, please comment down below or at me on Instagram and tell me like how it worked for you, or DM me or comment or any of that. Just stay connected and let me know how it worked for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and help me get to 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. Bye.